You take a lot of things for granted. Everybody thinks that they'll move forever and not have an issue. I took it for granted that I would not have an issue doing the things that I like to do. Before any of the symptoms that I've had, I was able to do everything. I was able to go mountain biking and play golf at least, 3 or 4 times a week with no issues. At first, I started feeling a little bit of a pain in my right shoulder. Sometimes if I reach up really high, I might feel like a little ouch. But then the pain was gradually getting worse and worse to the point where I couldn't put on a shirt without having my wife help me out with it. And that's when I decided to reach out to Penn Medicine Princeton Health.
When I first met Frank, we first talked about his vocation, his job, and then we talked about what he likes to do in his free time. What are his athletic endeavors? Because it's important to have shared goals and expectations. So patients know the time frame and what they should expect and at what period of time after surgery, because it helps them plan their lives, their jobs, but also their athletic activities.
When I met with Dr. Song, he made me feel really comfortable. What really impressed me was his knowledge. He really went thoroughly through what he believes that the issues are.
For Frank, he had arthritis. Unfortunately, this progressed to the point where he needed the right shoulder eventually replaced.
The recovery was not easy, but Dr. Song prepared me for that as well. Within about 6 months, 7 months, I was able to start swinging the club. I was able to start riding my mountain bike a little bit more. And gradually, I was getting stronger and more mobility. And then I was able to do a lot more. But because I was doing everything with my left hand and babying my right, straining my less dominant arm consistently led to loss of cartilage. I knew I had to get surgery again on my other shoulder. It was no doubt in my mind that, if I was going to see anyone, it was going to be Dr. Song again. Because I know how my first surgery went and know that my second surgery was going to go just as well.
We're proud of the Penn Medicine Princeton Hospital because we do offer the latest advancements in healthcare and in orthopedic care. With regards to shoulder replacements, we're very proud to have been approved by the Joint Commission for a Shoulder Center of Excellence. What that means for the patient is usually shorter operative times, same-day surgery, less pain than after surgery, quicker recoveries, and ultimately better recoveries at the end with the ability to return to their chosen activities.
My right shoulder is absolutely perfect. It's like I've never had the surgery before. Surprisingly, my left shoulder has been much easier, and the physical therapy is coming along really well. I'm happy that things are going in the right direction. I'm looking forward to getting right out there and start swinging a club and start riding my mountain bike. Can't wait.
Out of all the surgeries I perform, a shoulder replacement is the most impactful on my career because you really, I think, help patients the most because they can do things that they never thought they could do again. That's the reason that I get up and keep doing this job because it's very gratifying.